you have to write the answer. So here see the question. You can, number one,
Sir,
you can lead a horse to the water, dash, you can not make it drink. Yes, what were
but
you saying? You were asking?
but
Yes, very good. Who gave the
my
answer?
Miss sir घबराने मत मेहंदी.
Okay, Mendi, I will tell ma'am that you are giving the answers, so your name she will not include in that list.
Yes.
Then, hard work dash intelligence have brought him success. Hard work dash intelligence.
And and
And yes, means both the things, एक उसका hard work और उसका intelligent mind, both the things together made him successful. Very good. Good going, Gabrani. Reading is enjoyable dash many people do not like it. See, these are two opposite things, opposite situation. So which conjunction do we
For
use? See,
but
understand. But why do we use but over here? Can you explain? It is
sir,
contrast. Yes,
yes,
tell me. You were speaking. Tell me.
sir, he's saying that reading is enjoyable, but many people do not like. some people को अच्छा लगता है, किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता है ऐसा.
The boy does not work hard. Dash. He is intelligent.
because
Because आ सकता है you read the sentence with because
But
is not coordinating of fanboy's method. Is it coordinating conjunction? See the heading of the exercise. Coordinating use करना है यहाँ
yes sir.
पे. So
but
yes, but
But
वो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता लेकिन बट ही इज इंटेलिजेंट. देन
and
sir, so
ओके सो आ सकता है.
and
सी इट बिगेन टू रेन डैश वी पोस्टपोन्ड द मैच. तो मैच क्यों पोस्टपोन की? रीजन दिया है. रीजन रेनिंग स्टार्ट हुआ इसलिए. राइट.
yes,
सो व्हेन रीजन इज गिवन वी कैन यूज बिकॉज और वी कैन यूज सो. बिकॉज तो आता नहीं है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग में.
yes,
So only one answer left. So reason is given. Why did we postpone the match? Because raining. It started raining. But we cannot use because. Because के जैसा एक word है. So see, when you are asked the reason, why did you not attend the lecture? I uh, I was absent, so I did not attend the lecture. The reason देना है तब so use कर सकते हैं. She is an experienced teacher. Dash. She is sometimes nervous.
but
But or one more possible answer is there from that fanboys.
and
नहीं एंड तो कब यूज होगा जब दो सेम चीजें कनेक्ट करनी हो तब. हार्डवर्क और इंटेलिजेंट हमने कनेक्ट किया ना, वो सेम क्वालिटीज है. यहाँ पे ऑपोजिट क्वालिटीज है. टीचर एक्सपीरियंस्ड है
yes
फिर भी वो नर्वस हो जाती है. सो बट इज करेक्ट. एनी अदर आंसर पॉसिबल फ्रॉम फैन बॉयज? येट. येट वो भी बट के
yes
जैसा ही है. यस गॉट
yes
इट.
yes sir.
so
Okay, then read the next one. He wanted to return the book dash he went to the library.
And he
sir, so
wanted
Yes, correct. Very good.
so
Okay. My friend enjoys poetry dash fiction as well. Poetry भी पसंद है उसको और fiction भी. Fiction means that imaginary stories like we did that the listeners वो जो imaginary poem थी वो. That is called science fiction.
sir, and
Yes, क्योंकि वो दोनों चीजें पसंद है उसको. So and
and
then Mehram finished her work. Dash went for walk.
And
Hmm. Correct. These vegetables are not good. Dash they are expensive.
but
Okay. Any other answer like but, which is similar to but? Yet.
and
Yet. जो
yet.
कॉन्ट्रास्ट सिचुएशन है ना, वो ये वेजिटेबल्स गुड नहीं है, वेजिटेबल्स अच्छे नहीं है, फिर भी एक्सपेंसिव है, फिर भी कॉस्टली है. So, have you all written the answers or are you taking screenshot? Then do it fast. Then I will scroll down so that you can complete it because this lesson is there in exam. जिसको पता है उसको पता होगा. Taken screenshot?
Yes, sir. Scroll down.
Yes, I am scrolling it. Take the screenshot of the
Okay.
next sentences also. Done.
Yes.
Now, subordinating conjunction. Exercise 2 में heading क्या था? Coordinating conjunctions. So we used that 7 fanboys. अब कौन सा use करना है? Subordinating. Subordinating. So which are the subordinating conjunction? I will show you again. Only these conjunctions you can use. मतलब इसमें से ही. See. Because, unless, until, although, though, after, as, since, whenever, wherever, while. All these are subordinating, okay? So you can use that. Understood?
Sir, please tell. फिर से.
In exercise 3, you have to use subordinating conjunctions as it is given in the heading. So subordinating conjunctions मतलब कौन से? ये सब सिर्फ यही यूज कर सकते हैं हम, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग यूज नहीं कर सकते एक्सरसाइज 3 में, जैसे एक्सरसाइज 2 में भी हमने यूज की हो. गॉट इट?
Sir, 2 minutes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
what?
Okay.
अच्छा, you wrote it, you took screenshot.
Yes.
Good. कहाँ गया? Okay. See here. So in exam also read the heading properly. कि कौन से conjunction use करने, subordinating, coordinating, then only write the answer. यहाँ पे लिखा है clearly use subordinating conjunctions. Okay. I heard the noise. Dash. I was in the library.
Because.
नहीं, because मतलब you speak. See, because कैसे fit होगा? I heard the noise because I was in the library. मैं लाइब्रेरी में था इसलिए मैंने वो नॉइस सुना, इसलिए वो आवाज सुना मैंने. या मैं लाइब्रेरी में था तब मैंने वो आवाज सुनी. इफ यू स्पीक इन हिंदी,
Then.
सो यू विल गेट द आंसर. जब मैं लाइब्रेरी में था तब. सो विच कंजंक्शन? सी इट इज देयर ओनली, थिंक. जस्ट
When.
पुट. यस, एग्जैक्टली, वेरी गुड. नाउ यू रीड, यू अंडरस्टैंड द सेंटेंस. अब समझ में आ जाएगा. ऑलरेडी आई स्पोक इन हिंदी. एक्चुअली आई शुड नॉट स्पीक, बट जस्ट फॉर giving you a hint, I had to speak in Hindi. But now I will not. You have to translate yourself in your mind. He found the book dash he was looking for under his bed. Anyway, I will speak. उसको वो बुक मिल गई जो वो ढूंढ रहा था. So, answer?
Sir, while.
While नहीं. While तो मतलब उसका वही हुआ जब. I told you.
When.
नहीं. That वो बुक जो मैं ढूंढ रहा था वो. So that I found. He found the book that he was looking for. Okay, no problem. At least you are trying. Pratik did not attend the meeting. Dash, he was ill.
Because
वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे हम सो लिख सकते हैं नहीं ना?
no sir, it is coordinating.
Yes, very good. Mendi na? Mendi is giving answer.
Yes.
Okay, I'm really happy that you understood. Dash, I feel indisposed. I will not come to the party. Indisposed means if I not feel well, if I'm not feeling good.
Because
Hmm, because I feel indisposed नहीं. अगर ऐसा लगा तो कंडीशन है. अगर ऐसा लगा तो पार्टी में नहीं आऊंगा. So what is that? अगर ऐसा लगा तो if you say that in Hindi, in English, if you are giving a condition, तो उसके लिए कौन सा word use होगा? If. If
yes
you
sir.
give me your book, I will give you my book. बोलते हैं ना हमेशा. So if वो condition हो गई.
Yes.
शरत. Dash we grow older, we become wiser. With our
If
age, when you grow older, you also become wiser. Means your knowledge also increases.
if
नहीं, if नहीं. If we grow older तो सब होंगे ही. If उसमें condition नहीं. Answer is already given in the above
sir,
blanks. From that
after
only.
after
No, answer is already given in the above blanks.
sir become
Become. Become क्या? When. When we grow
yes
older, जब हम बड़े होते हैं तब wise हो जाते हैं. जब. So when. Dash you go, sign the book.
when
Very good. When you go, at that time you have to sign the book. Arrange these books, dash I do. ऐसे arrange कर जैसे मैं
or
arrange करता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं
See, I'm
नहीं
telling you, arrange the books. You have to arrange the books. मेरे जैसे arrange करनी है books. So which conjunction?
as
Very good.
yes
एक as आ सकता है. Correct. See, you can write. But एक और possible answer है. One more. How? As if you write, it is correct. I will give you marks for that. Okay? वो भी आ सकता है. How or as, both are correct. Because as is also subordinating conjunction, so we can use it here. I shall give you the book, dash, you promise to return it on time.
if
until
If, condition. જો time में आप तो તને આપું. Condition. Understood?
yes
Then
sir
if
you will achieve your goal if you work harder. Yes, correct. Condition. Hard work करो तो જ goal થશે achieve. Correct. This is the place dash he was last seen. આ જ જગ્યા છે જ્યાં છેલ્લે બતાવ્યો હતો એ. What?
where
When?
where
Is this one? Where? Yes. Place है ना
yes
place तो where होगा. Where?
yes
When is for time. Okay. Take screenshot. I will scroll up. Okay. I'm very happy that at least 2 or 3 boys have participated. After Charmi ma'am said, so I will tell her that you two were giving the answers. Take screenshot. Taken?
yes sir scroll down
Okay. So those who are absent, no, your friends who are in contact with you, please send them the screenshot. Okay.
yes sir
Only now exercise 4 and 5 are left that we can complete in one lecture because this chapter is there already in the syllabus. और आज वो स्टार्टिंग में टाइम वेस्ट हुआ ना, इन द बिगिनिंग द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गेटिंग द आंसर, अदरवाइज यू वुड हैव कंप्लीटेड वन मोर एक्सरसाइज. Okay, done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Yes.